Stop talking. All right. Here's what we're going to do. So, if you haven't figured it out already, the students, each of you pick up a blue piece of cargo. Mentors, each of you pick up a red piece of cargo. This is your preload cargo for the game. All right. Here's where it gets complicated, though. Okay? You have to start in the taxi zone, just like the robots do. Tarmac, sorry. You have to start below the starting configuration. And you cannot exceed the maximum height. Okay? At the end of the match, in the last 30 seconds, you are allowed to climb. You are not allowed to hang. No hanging. If you hang, you will A, be yelled at, and B, a climb will be awarded to the other team. Do not hang from the bars. You can, however, reach the first bar, and then work your way to the second bar, and then work your way to the third bar, and if you're not tall enough, you should have built a better robot. Okay? All right. One last thing from the last time I saw this done. If you throw the cargo into the upper hub, you have to let it hit the ground once before you can pick it up again. Okay? Yes. All right. No pinning. No pushing. I don't know. That's really it. Okay. All right. With that, let's get the field buttoned up. Yes. What? No. And that would be a foul during the game. You can't do that. Okay? Your referees are on standby to hand out as many fouls as they possibly can. I need to get off the field. Please close this, yes. With that, DJ, if you could please set the mood on my cue. All right. I've got green lights. I'm waiting for thumbs up. There's still some robots over their starting configuration, I think. Okay. We got thumbs up. So, Kitty, you're representing the students. I'm representing the mentors. With that, Red Alliance.
Blue Alliance.
Red Alliance.
Blue Alliance.
Red Alliance.
Blue Alliance.
All right. Here we go. 3,
2, 1,
react!
React!
Autonomous period underway here in this absolute chaos match. The top of the goal filled with so many pieces of cargo that I really can't count them all, and neither can the FMS, so it's going to take it a minute. It says at least 10, question mark? I don't really know. Sandstorm period ends, and humans take the controls of these humans. They now make their way back towards their Alliance hangars. This dude with purple bumpers throws cargo all the way across the right side of the field. That was red cargo just going flying. That's okay. Long-range shot coming at you from the Mentor Alliance over here. Strong defense coming at you as humans drive into the Red Alliance hangars. That's the Student Alliance there. Alley-oop. Blue cargoes scored over from deep in the Red Alliance hangar territory. Bit under 2 minutes left to play. Both alliances have clearly secured their bonus rank point. Considering each of them currently has a rank point average of -0, that should be pretty advantageous to them. Minute and a half left to play. The Red Alliance, full of all the old folks and slightly older than student folks in the crowd, 145 to 104. Chaos near center field. top tarmac here. 3 students finding their way over here for the Blue Alliance, just trying to find any cargo they can. It's slowly making its way out towards the further traversals of the field. Mentor is playing a bit of the starvation strategy here, as we see that Red Alliance holding plenty of blue cargo over here on the left side of the field. About a minute left to play. Mentor Alliance leads by 47. Bit of a diversity in strategy here as both alliances throw some cargo into the top goal of the hub and some into the lower. It appears the Mentor Alliance primarily focusing on that upper goal. The Student Alliance hoping they can find cargo somewhere. 36 seconds left to play. Red Alliance extends their lead now, looking at about, 60 or so. 31 pieces of cargo scored in that upper goal for blue, 60 pieces by red. And in the final 20 seconds here, neither alliance mysteriously making their way to the hangar zones. That's a bold move, Cotton, especially for the alliance that had no cargo to score literally all match. There we go, they finally make their way to the bottom right corner of the field. Student Alliance climbing up middle rung as they start. Up they go, high rung, and then the tallest among them making their way to the traversal rung. The Mentor Alliance with a perhaps slight advantage up to and including 20 or 30 years worth of age and plenty of height. Most of them sitting on the traversal rung. We'll get a final score tallied up for you just as soon as we can. And please remember, despite any outcome from this match, the true winner is your master of sassimonies, Evan Klein. Sarcasm and sass, courtesy of your MC crew.
Don't let go, we're still counting the climbs. We don't have a final score yet, just a moment. All right, robots can get their way off the field at this point. Robots, you can exit the field.
During this off-season mentor versus student season, the highest score we've seen so far was 504 points long ago at Girls' Generation last week. Our score this week here at Bordie React, it's the Red Alliance. Your final score in this one, 422 red to 317 blue. The cargo hoarding strategy pays off for the mentors. However, we'll all feel it in our backs in the morning, I'm sure.
Make some noise for the Blue Alliance, everybody. Thank you for coming out.